Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CISC Topper Classes. Today we are going to discuss Class 10, Chapter 9, Exercise 9.4, question number 1 to 5 of M.L.aggarwal Class 10 Mathematics. So let us start solving this exercise here in this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Now let us solve exercise 9.4, question number 1, first part. We have to find the next term of the list of numbers here. Means A4 in this GP given we have to find, which will be simply AR n minus 1. So if you want to find the value of A first term is 1 by 6 and R, the common, we can say common ratio is 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 6. So that will become 6 by 1. Cancelling this, we are getting 2. Means the common ratio is 2 in this question. And if we put the values here, this will become 1 by 6, R is 2 and n minus 1 will become 3. So simply 1 by 6 into 8. Cancelling this part, we will get 4 by 3 as the answer. Means A4 is 4 by 3. Fourth term of this GP geometric progression here is 4 by 3 in this question, and this is the solution of question number 1 first part. Now let us solve question number 1 second part. Find the next term of the list of numbers. So simply first term here is 3 by 16. If we write the common ratio, that will become minus 3 by 8 multiplied by 16 by 3, 16 by 3. Cancelling this part, we will get minus 2. Means the common ratio is minus 2 in this question. And if you want to find the next term, means fifth term of this GP, we have to find. Again, this will become AR n minus 1, which will become first term is 3 by 16. Common ratio is minus 2. Ki power here n is, we can see n is fifth term. 5 minus 1, 4. So 3 by 16, 2 ki power 4 will become 3 by 16 multiplied by 16. Cancelling this, we will get 3. Means a fifth term of this GP is 3, and this is the final answer question of question number 1 second part. Now let us solve question number 1 third part. We have to find the 15 term, which is A15 will become AR 15 minus 1, means AR to power 14, where the first term is root 3 and the common ratio is we can say 1 by root 3 multiplied by 1 by root 3, which is 1 by 3 only. Putting these values here, we will get first term is root 3 only and the common ratio is 1 by 3 ki whole power 15. So simply the final answer is root 3 divided by 3 ki power 14 is the A15 term of this question, and this is the final answer of question number 1 third part. Now let us solve question number 1 fourth part. Find the 10th term and nth term of the list of numbers. So if you want to find the 10th term here, so simply a ki power 10 will become AR 10 minus 1, where the first term is 5 and R is 25 divided by 5. Cancelling this part, this is 5. So if we put the value 5 ki power 9 here, we will get 5 ki power 10 as the 10th term here, adding 9 plus 1. And simply if we write the values of nth term of the list of number an, putting the value AR ki power n minus 1, a is 5, R is also 5. So 5 n minus 1 can be written as 5 multiplied by 5 ki power n, and this will be multiplied by 5 ki power minus 1. We can write 5 into 1 by 5 multiplied by 5 ki power 1. This will be cancelled out. 5 ki power n is only the answer in this question. And this is the final solution of question number 1 fourth part. Now let us solve question number 1 fifth part. Find the sixth and nth term of the list of numbers. Sixth term is A6 as AR 6 minus 1 AR 5, and nth term is AN AR n minus 1, where first term is 3 by 2 and R is 3 by 4 multiplied by 2 by 3. This will be cancelled out and we will get 1 by 2 as the common ratio. So putting these values, A is 3 by 2 and 1 by 2 ki whole power 5. So we can simply write here final answer as 3 by 2 ki power 6. This part we can write by putting value 3 by 2, 1 by 2 n minus 1, 3 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 ki whole power n multiplied by 1 by 2 ki whole power minus 1. So 3 by 2 into 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 ki power n. This will be cancelled out. We will get 3 into 1 by 2 ki power n, means 3 by 2 ki power n is the value of a nth term, and this is the value of a sixth term here. So hence this is the final, this is the value of 3 by 2 ki power 6 is the answer of a sixth term. So this is the final solution of question number 1 fifth part. Now let us solve question number 1 6th part. Find the sixth term from the end of the list of numbers. So from the end we have to find the sixth term. So the last term is 12288 and the common ratio is minus 6 by 3 as minus 2, and from there we can write the sixth term as a ki power 6, means from the last, that will become L 1 by R ki whole power n minus 1. Putting these values here, 12288 multiplied by 1 by minus 2 ki power n minus 1 will become 5 here. Writing this part here, we will get minus of 1 by 32. So cancelling this part, now we can cancel by 6, 2 sorry. So 1 6 6 6 1 4 again 4. So again cancelling here, we will get 3 0 7 2. Cancelling, we will get 1 5 3 6. Cancelling here, we will get 6 8. Again cancelling, we will get 384. So a ki power 6 means the sixth term from the last is 384, and this is the final answer of question number 1 6 part. Now let us solve question number 2. Which term of the GP is we have to find is 128. So simply 128 is the term where first term is 2 and the common ratio is 2 root 2 divided by 2. We will get root 2, and this will become 2 into root 2 ki whole power n minus 1. N we have to find which term it is. So cancelling this part, this is cancelled by 64. 64 here it will become 2 ki power n, and here this will become root 2 ki power minus 1. So 64 equal to root 2 ki power n multiplied by 1 by root 2. 64 into root 2 equal to root 2 ki power n. So if we write in 64 in root 2 terms, that will become root 2 ki power here 12 we can write simply, and multiplied by root 2 equal to root 2 ki power n. So if we add this, that will become 12 plus 1 is 13, root 2 equal to 13 equal to root 2 ki power n. Comparing this, n is equal to 13 means 13th term of this GP is 128, and this is the solution of question number 2 first part. Now let us solve question number 2 second part here. If we write this is first term in this GP is 1 and common ratio is 1 by 3. So simply if we find which term is this, so 1 by 243 equal to 1 multiplied by 1 by 3 ki power n minus 1. So simply 1 by 243 equal to 1 into 1 by 3 ki power n into 3. So simply 1 by 243 will become 3 ki power 5, and multiplying by 3 equal to 1 by 3n. So this will become, on comparing, n is equal to 6, means sixth term of this GP is 1 by 243, and this is only the final answer of question number 2 second part. Now let us solve question number 3. We have to determine the 12th term of a GP whose 8th term is 192 and common ratio is 2. Common ratio is 2 and 8th term A8 is AR7. So determine the 12th term of the GP. So if we want to find 12th term, that will become AR11. So 12th term, this, so simply if 8th term is 192, in this first term we have to find. This is 2 ki power 7. So simply 192 multiplied by, if we say 4 into 4 multiplied by again 4 then 2 equal to A, that will become the first term. Cancelling this part, this is cancelled by 96. Again cancelling, we will get 48. Again cancelling 24. Again cancelling this part, this is 6, and again cancelling, this is 3 by 2 is the first term of this GP. And if we want to find this is the common ratio, so simply A12 will become A, that is 3 by 2 into R 2 ki power 11. This will be cancelled out and we will get 3 into 2 ki power 10. So A12 will become simply 3 into 2 ki power 10. And 3 into 2 ki power 10 will become simply on solving 3072. And this is the final answer of question number 3. Now let us solve question number 4. In a GP, the third term A3 is AR2 and the sixth term A6 is AR5 is 192. Then find the 10th term, it is said. So if we write the sixth term, that is 192 equal to A, and the third term is 24. So this is 24 AR square and AR ki power 5. Now we have to find the 10th term from there only. So simply if we divide this part, we will get dividing, let it be first and second equation, dividing 2 by 1. 2 by 1. So this will become 192 divided by 24 equal to AR5 upon AR square. This will be cancelled out. This will be cancelled out by 96, again 6, then 48, again 3, 24, and this will be cancelled out by A. Cancelling this, r ki power 3 equal to 8, and r will become 2 on solving. Means the common ratio is 2. From there we can find the value of A only. So 24 equal to A r square will become 4, and first term will become 25 by 4, 6. Means the first term in this GP is 6 and the common ratio is 2. So from there we can find the 10th term which we have to find, which will become AR 10 minus 1, putting A as 6 multiplied by 2, 10 minus 1, 9, 6 into 2 ki power 9. So on solving this, we will get 3072 as the final answer in this also. So this is only the final solution of question number 4 here. Now let us solve question number 5. We have to find the number of terms of a GP whose first term is 3 by 4 and common ratio is 2 and the last term is 384. So if you want to find that AP, so simply if you put 384 equal to 3 by 4 multiplied by 2 ki power, we have to find the number of terms. So it will become n minus 1. N we have to find here. So simply 384 multiplied by 4 divided by 3 equal to 2 ki power n and multiplied by 2. This one cancelling, this will be on carrying 2, it will become 8. Again 128 multiplied by 4 into 2 equal to 2 ki power n will become 128 multiplied by 8 equal to 2 ki power n. So on solving this, 128 is 2 ki power 7 and this will become 2 ki power 3 equal to 2 ki power n. On adding this, we will get 2 ki power 10 equal to 2 ki power n. On comparing, we will get n is equal to 10 in this question. Means 10 terms are there in this GP, in this geometric progression, and this is only the solution of question number 5. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.